Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a line of sight for my new freestyle build. This is the Acrolite 230 from FPV. I recently did a full build video for this. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in that. Let's run through the components real quick. We have the T-Motor F40 Pro V2, 2400 kV. These are 2306 motors, fantastic quality. There's also a link in the description to our review as well. Have the Gem Fan 5152, pink and blue, just for you. We have the Betaflight 32-bit 35 amp ESCs on here, wired up to the Betaflight F4 flight controller. And then we have a TBS Unify HV Pro Race, Foxeer Micro, FreeSky X4R SB, TBS Triumph, and for the battery it's a Tattoo R-Line 1300 mAh 95C4S. Let's get this guy plugged in right here. Okay, here we go. And I probably won't be running the Gem Fan props on it for when I use this guy for freestyle. Probably switch to Cyclone V2, but for line of sight, they're awesome. So let's go. These motors, this system has a super nice, smooth, low idle. With the F40 Pro V2 and the 32-bit ESCs, this thing is just super rock solid, super steady, super stable. Try and block out the wind a little bit. And I do have my freestyle rates on here. About 1,000 degrees per second. 1,050. So this guy does weigh about 340 grams dry, and it's got 2400 kV motors, so it's not exactly the most powerful, but it's super smooth, and that's much more important for freestyle. Man, it's cold out. It's like 20 degrees. Fingers are absolutely frozen. Let's see if we can make any imprints in the snow here. Yeah, just super smooth. This is stock PIDs here, and it just sounds so clean. And there is a current meter and OSD on this board, and I checked with this prop, with the same setup I'm running it on now, it's only maxing at about 77 amps, so these motors are definitely pretty efficient, and I'm probably gonna have no troubles getting 3 to 4 minutes of freestyling with this, especially if I move to even more efficient props. Alright, here we are back again. Sorry about that, my camera battery actually died. So I'm refilming the second half of this. There's full speed against the wind. Full speed with the wind. This battery is not full. Well, that's pretty respectable. Probably over 90 miles an hour. Whoa!
30 seconds.
Haha, tapped the ground there. This battery is pretty low. Liking these rates though. Not very used to them, but working pretty well. Yeah, let's just finish up the video there. So that was the line of sight flight of my Ox FPV Acrolite 230 with the T-Motor F40 V2 Pros. Really liking them, and the Betaflight electronics. Once again, there will be links down below to all of the components if you're interested in buying them, as well as a link to my review for the frame, the motors, the build video for the quad itself, as well as the setup tutorial. I did a Betaflight 3.2.3 setup tutorial, and I will be doing a tuning video using this coming soon. So that was it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.